into my private area.
Your private area?
Yeah.
Put your hands behind your back.
My hand is behind my back, sir.
This one. Turn over on your stomach. Put your hand behind your back. Relax.
I'm totally relaxed. You're the one.
No, you are not relaxed.
Police
Not relaxed at all.
Right here, people.
No, it is not. No, it's not.
Wow, what a bunch of sheep. Okay, I hope someone's filming this. You're hurting me.
Oh, I'm filming it.
This is like
Yeah,
this is
okay.
like cutting me.
Stand up. Stand up. Stand yourself up.
And how do you suggest, sir? I am like a 65-year-old woman here.
Okay.
What
Sit
are
up.
you doing?
Stand up.
Ayúdame, por favor.
Stand up.
Ayúdame, por favor.
Are you trying to speak Spanish to people?
I do speak Spanish.
Okay, well, stand up.
Are you happy now, lady?
Okay.
I'm not happy. You
Okay, stand up. Stand up.
I refuse to listen to the...
Come on.
You know what? I think
She's getting your stuff. Come on.
I think you broke my freaking foot.
Okay, I'll call her.
And that's my business over there.
Yeah, she's going to pick it up.
Wow. Not wearing a mask, people. This is what they do to you.
Slow everybody down.
Okay, I've got my dog in my truck.
I got you. I'm 10-4. Send EMS for a 60-year-old white female. She's complaining of foot pain.
Yeah. You
Take a
broke
seat.
my damn foot.
Take a seat.
49, we're out, women. Okay.
Take a seat.
Are you? Where's your mask? Where's your
I'm
mask?
6 feet away from you.
Oh, well, I was 6 feet away from those people
All
in
right,
there, too.
in there. Get inside.
Okay,
No.
Randy, put your cup down and turn around. Ma'am?
Let go of me. You let go of me. Let go of me. You know this. Let go of me. Let go of me.
Ma'am, do not resist.
No, oh, no. Let go of me. Go. It hurts. Let go of me. Give me my
Do not kick. Do you understand?
Stop it. No, let go of me. Yes, you are, Caleb. Give me my key to my car. Give me my key to my car. Give me my key to my car. Give it to me. Give me my key.
Stay out of here. Step outside for me, please.
Take my purse. Let go of me. You're hurting me. And I'm going to show all the bruises that you put on me.
If you're not going to cooperate, you'll be
Let
charged
go
with
of me.
obstructing.
Let go
You
of me.
understand that?
You let go of me now.
No, ma'am.
You're bruising me. Let go
Stop
of me.
pulling against us.
I'm not pulling against you. Let go of
Then
me.
stand up like an adult.
Shut up. What an asshole thing to say to me. What an ass thing to say to me.
They're the law enforcement. They're always gonna win. That's your
Do me a
thing.
favor. Do me a favor. Let go of me. You're hurting me.
I'm not hurting you.
You are hurting me.
Obstruction at the moment. Okay.
Here. Let go of me for a minute.
Ma'am, I don't care if you record, but can you just step back a little bit?
I want you to do something. I can talk in her ear.
No, you need to
Just-
step back, ma'am.
Let go.
Let's walk over and put her in the car.
Stop. You're hurting me.
Walk then.
You're hurting me. Damn it.
Okay, you're under arrest right now, okay?
You are hurting me.
Walk.
You're hurting me. Please.
Stand up and walk then.
You're hurting me. Let go of me. Let go of me.
Oh, ma'am, you're under arrest.
For what?
Obstruction.
I didn't obstruct anything. You're hurting me. You're hurting me.
Okay.
You okay?
Yeah.
What are you doing? You're hurting me. Get out of my pocket.
You are under arrest. You are being
You're
searched.
hurting me.
Stay back. Back up. Unless you want to be detained too, back up. I don't care if you record. Just back up.
Stand up straight, ma'am.
I am standing straight. You're pushing me over with your hand.
I'm holding on to your jacket.
Cooperate, lady.
What are you talking about? Get out of my pants!
I am conducting a search. If you move, you will find additional charges.
Find additional charges? This is like arrest without cause.
Have a seat.
In the car.
Do you really know what you're doing? Do you have any idea what
Here,
you're doing?
scoot over a little bit.
Do you really know what you're doing? You're assisting Merrick Garland to not show the truth of what
Okay,
the election
scoot over.
I'm going to let GJPD do what they need to do regarding you being uncooperative in there with them. We have this,
You're hurting
this
me.
iPad.
Do you understand? That is not my iPad.
Okay, we have this iPad.
That is not my iPad. That you're
I hear what
taking
you're saying.
someone else's
I
property.
hear what you're saying.
You've taken all my equipment, all my stuff, and you still can't find anything.
Tina, I'm taking this iPad. It's because of this search warrant, which lets me do that.
Let me
Okay?
read the search warrant.
That would be great. You want to read it?
Yeah, but I can't exactly hold it. I will have bruises to show how they've hurt me.
So you're going to listen to this officer, but if and
That's
when he
fine.
removes handcuffs,
That's fine. No.
you're not being detained by me. You're free to leave. But if you'd like me to explain this to you, I'd rather stand face to face and let you hold it than have you be in the back of a cop car. Is that
Yeah,
fair?
yeah, that's fair.
Okay, that's great with me.
Can you just sit back a little bit?
Yeah.
Thank you. And step on out up on the sidewalk.